Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the scene cut detection tool in DaVinci Resolve. In my opinion, it's one of the more underrated features that DaVinci Resolve offers, and it's really easy to use. So all you have to do is within your media browser in DaVinci Resolve, go to your file, right click, click on scene cut detection, then here at the bottom left, click on auto scene detect. So this should generate a graph of where it thinks there are cuts. And overall, it looks pretty good. Although at the first portion here, you can see it detected a lot of cuts in a short period of time. So I'm pretty sure these are errors in the algorithm. So to fix that, all you have to do is remove all the extra ones. So click on delete, highlight them and click on delete. And we're left with four clips left, four segments. Now click on add cuts to media pool at the bottom right, and it should have added those clips to our media pool. So if we take a look, we have the bits and pieces of our video file. This is a really useful tool for speeding up your workflows, and I really feel like it's underrated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new.